Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mention people in Microsoft Lists and SharePoint. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your browser and navigate to your Microsoft List link. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account if you haven't already. This gives you access to all your lists and collaboration features. After logging in, you'll see your available lists displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click on the list where you want to mention someone. Now, here's where things get interesting. Hover your mouse over the row where you want to mention people. You'll notice a comment icon appears on that row. This icon is your gateway to collaborative conversations within your list. Click on the comment icon to open up the comments section for that specific row. Once you click it, the comments panel will appear on the right side of your screen, showing any existing comments or an empty field if it's a new conversation. Click on the text field at the bottom of the comments section. To mention someone, simply type the @ symbol followed by their name or email address. As you start typing, Microsoft Lists will automatically suggest people from your organization, making it quick and easy to find the right person. After selecting the person you want to mention, add your comment or message in the same text field and hit send. The mentioned person will receive a notification, ensuring they see your message right away. Now let's move over to SharePoint. On the upper left corner of your screen, click the menu icon, which typically looks like 3 horizontal lines or a grid. From the menu that appears, click on SharePoint. This will take you to your SharePoint homepage where you can access various sites and pages. Once you're on the SharePoint page, look for and click on Go to Pages. This option will display all the available pages within your SharePoint site. Select the page where you want to mention someone by clicking on it. After the page loads, scroll down toward the bottom until you find the comments section. This section allows team members to discuss and provide feedback directly on the page content. Click on the text field in the comments section and start typing your comment. Just like in Microsoft Lists, type the @ symbol followed by the person's email or name to mention them. SharePoint will show you suggestions as you type, making it simple to tag the right person. Once you've written your comment and mentioned the person, click the post button to publish your comment. The person you mentioned will be notified and can respond directly in the comments thread. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to mention people in both Microsoft Lists and SharePoint, making collaboration smoother and ensuring important team members stay in the loop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.